So we have an update in the Maurice Scott from Love and Marriage Huntsville case versus Anonymous and Black Titanic. The document will be on the screen. It was filed with the Madison County Courthouse on February 20th, 2026. And it was filed by the defendant Anonymous, and it states it is a notice of intent to serve as a subpoena Deuces Tecum to non-party Oprah Winfrey Network, LLC, pursuant to Rule 45 of the Alabama Rules of Civil Procedure. Please take note that Defendant Anonymous requests the following company, not a party to the above referenced proceeding, at the date, time, and place indicated, to produce records or documents. Declaration of Oprah Winfrey Network, LLC, attention custodian of record, date to be determined, time to be determined, place, and it has her name and address as pursuant to Rule 45 of the Alabama Rule of Civil Procedure. The custodian of records for Oprah Winfrey Network, LLC, shall produce the documents, record, and things shown in the attached Exhibit A in the above style case. Provide any and all information or items which fall within the scope of the request. The term document means, but is not limited to, any writing, whether paper or electronically stored, the original and any copy, regardless of the origin or location of any book, correspondence, pamphlet, periodical, letter, email, computer screen, computer disk, or computer program, memorandum, telegram, report, record, study, handwritten note, map, drawing, working paper, chart, paper, graph, index, tape, data sheet, data processing card, or any other written, recorded, transcribed, electronically recorded or stored, punched, taped, filmed, photographic or graphic matter, or computer disk, computer tape, or any other entry, however produced or reproduced. Number two, you or your means Oprah Winfrey Network, LLC, any parent or subsidiary corporation, any predecessor corporation, any corporation in which the party has a controlling interest, and all joint ventures, partners, agents, employees, officers, directors, and persons acting for the party. Number three, personal identifiers means a person's name, address, date of birth, or social security number, or other unique data that identifies or is associated with a particular person. Number four, complaint refers to the verified complaint filed in the above styled manner. Number five, plaintiff shall refer to Maurice J. Scott Sr. as referenced and defined in the complaint filed in the above styled manner, and any other person with the following personally identifiable information. Defendant shall refer to the specifically named defendant as referenced and defined in the verified complaint filed in the above styled matter, as well as any of the defendant's agents, employees, officers, members, directors, successors, assigns, principals, trustees, sureties, suborgies, or representatives. Please produce the following records as subpoena in relation to the named non-party Oprah Winfrey Network, LLC. Number one, original employment contract and addendums signed and dated for your employee, plaintiff Maurice J. Scott Sr. from January 2018 to present. Number two, annual income statements, W-2s, 1099s, issued for your employee, plaintiff Maurice J. Scott Sr. for 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025 tax years, dated February 17th, 2026. Respectfully submitted by Anonymous. And then the other documents just include a letter on her official letterhead to the clerks, letting them know that they need to file this subpoenas on all of the parties, and she's going to keep an eye out for it so she can then send it to the Oprah Winfrey Network, because she had to file this notice of intent at least 15 days before she filed the subpoena. Okay, so that's the update we have regarding that case, and we do have another case update, and this one is coming straight up out of the Love and Marriage Huntsville YouTube sector, and it is YouTuber on YouTuber. So I'm sure most of you already know, but for those of you that don't, Shiba, aka Queen Shiba Darling, here on YouTube as a content creator, has actually filed several federal copyright lawsuits against a few other fellow content creators. One of those cases was against Anthony Lofties, and Shiba was stating that they used her content without her authorization. And so we're going to see what the judge ruled on this matter. The document will be on the screen, and we can see that it was filed on February 19th, 2026 in the United States District Court, Southern District of Texas. Shiba is the plaintiff, Anthony Lofties is the defendant, and this is the final judgment. For the reasons set forth in the court order entered on this date, plaintiff, Queen Shiba Darling's action is dismissed. This is a final judgment. The clerk shall provide a copy of this final judgment to the parties, signed at Houston's, Texas on this 19th day of February 2026, and it is signed by the United States District Judge. So there you guys have it. Anthony Lofties has come out of this case the victor. The case has been dismissed. What do you guys think about that? Y'all drop down below in the comments. Let me know y'all thoughts on the Maurice Scott case and the Shiba case. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.